In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to maximize your Claude usage limits. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. This is a simple way to get to the official Claude site without needing to remember the exact URL, and it helps you land on the right page quickly. In the search bar, type Claude AI and press Enter. On the results page, look for the official site with the claude.ai domain. Take a second to confirm the domain is spelled correctly and that the page looks legitimate. This small check helps you avoid spoofed pages and keeps your account safe. Click through to the Claude website. You should arrive at the interface where you can start a new chat. If the layout looks a little different from what you've seen before, that's normal. Interfaces get updated, but the core flow is the same. Now, we're going to craft a single, efficient prompt that teaches you how to stretch your daily usage while getting high-quality results. In the message box, type the following: "Give me a simple, beginner-friendly guide on how to maximize Claude usage limits." Include 5 quick tips, 3 example efficient prompts, a chart comparing high usage versus low usage prompts. Keep it short, clear, and practical. This wording is intentional. It asks for concise, structured output, which reduces unnecessary back and forth and keeps token usage low. Before you send it, notice what we've done here. We clearly stated the goal, asked for a compact format, and specified exactly what to include. When you guide Claude with tight instructions and limits, you get more value from each message and avoid sprawling responses that eat into your quota. When you're ready, click Submit. Claude will generate a streamlined guide that includes quick, actionable tips, examples of efficient prompts you can reuse, and a simple comparison showing what makes a prompt high usage versus low usage. This gives you a practical reference you can apply it immediately, and it's all delivered in one focused reply. Once the response appears, read it through and note what's most helpful. You can reuse the example prompts in future chats, adapt the quick tips to your workflow, and apply the comparison to refine how you phrase requests. The more you standardize your prompts and keep them crisp, the more of your daily limit you save for tasks that matter. That's it. You searched for Claude, opened the official site, wrote an efficient, targeted prompt, and submitted it. Follow this approach, and you'll consistently get more done within your usage limits.